All right. So on this one right here, finding the solution to the system, the solution is still going to be a point of intersection. Now, if I didn't insert, the word and right here, I just wrote it straight out like this, what would any of y'all do with this problem if you just saw it like this? What do you mean by combine? Very good. That's a better answer. Substitute is a whole lot better. So we would probably substitute wherever the x is, I would put in a 3, right? Or the negative 3. So if I do so, now this becomes an expression. Because if I cover that up, I'm solving for y. I'm just simplifying that side. Very simply, what's the answer? Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Okay? But the solution to a system is a what? Point of intersection. And technically, I just got one answer. How do I find the other one? Okay? Now, the concept that we understand is to graph these. Do y'all agree? Put them in our calculator, find the point of intersection. So here's my calculator. I'm going to do so. My first equation is y equals x plus 2. Why can I not enter in the second equation? There is a second equation. I see it. It's x equaled negative 3. Why can I not plug that into my calculator? Huh? Okay, we got not in slope intercept. What else we got? Well, we substituted is how we solved it. Okay? For what? Say it again. There is an x. There's no y. Okay? So this is not a function. X equals graphs are not functions. Okay? What kind of line is generated from an x equaled graph? Anybody know? A vertical line. So really what we have, I can graph this one, and that's what my original one's going to look like. So if I graph this, just by looking at it, it's going to go through 2. That's my first graph. Okay? Got a question? All right, so if I put this graph right here on my graph paper, that's similarly what it's going to look like. It's going to cross through 2, and it's going to increase just like that. If I graph my second equation, it's going to be a vertical line passing through negative 3. Does it have a point of intersection? It most certainly does. Right there. What is its value? What is this coordinate right here? What is the value? Is it 2? 1, 2, negative 3, negative 1. So the reason why I can't put it in my calculator is my calculator only operates in function notation. And x equaled graphs are not functions. Its slope is undefined, so therefore since that's screwed up because you're dividing by 0, it's not a function. All right? You solved it by substitution. You substituted the negative 3 in for x and solved. What that's saying is every x is not changing, but that's still only going to cross the intersect in one place. Okay? Any questions about that one?